So, I get to work this morning to find my lab full of contractors. Okay, I know the work has to be done, but it's chaos. Then the procurement manager comes into my office. Just to let you know, Amber, we're streamlining our supply chain. You need to reduce your 10 contractors down to 7. But of course, there can't be any compromise on quality. So I start looking for ways to get the same work done by fewer contractors. Sorry, Amber. Change of plan upstairs. You can have 5 contractors. And they've got to be UCAS accredited. Okay, I thought. I'm a smart woman. I can do this. 5 UCAS accredited contractors. 4. ISO 9001 certified. 3. ISO 14001. 2. ISO 45001. Sorry, just 1 contractor. And of course, they'll need to be safety contractor approved and F-gas certified.
Arena, your single source solution.